Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay pupunta tayo sa Mövenpick Dubai kasi meron tayong iftar or na-invite tayo sa iftar doon. So hinihintay ko lang yung ating mga colleague and balitaan ko na lang kayo later. Ayan, so here is our colleague from Meeting Point and we're going to Mövenpick Dubai for iftar. See you really later! Yan. Yan po yung mga kasama natin from Meeting Point. Hihintay po natin yung ating sasakyan kasi nakapark po dito sa electronic parking. What you call that?
Robot parking.
Robot parking. Galing yan guys. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. Dali. Yan. Hinihintay lang po natin yung ating colleague na si Abdul kasi siya po yung gagamitin natin. Yung sasakyan niya po yung gagamitin natin papunta sa Mövenpick. Kasi nga wala tayong pa-transportation for today's video. So ayan, kinukuha niya yung kanyang car sa... Ano tawag dito? Robot parking. Social niyan guys, robot parking. So ayun pala guys, yung robot parking pala, ilalagay mo lang dyan yung sasakyan mo. Tapos, bahala na yung robot na mag-park yung sasakyan mo. Ang galing ano? So ayan guys, dito na nga tayo sa sasakyan ni Abdul.
Tapos,
So hello guys, so dito na nga tayo sa Mövenpick Dubai. Hinihintay lang natin si Miss Realyn. Siya yung sales coordinator para may mag-assist sa atin dito sa Mövenpick. So ang basa dito guys ay konnichiwa at ni hao ma. Charot. So, we will have our dinner here in Fountain Restaurant at sinusundan lang namin si Miss Realyn para dalhin tayo sa ating table. Ang haba. It's okay. Thanks, so sit here beside me. Guys, have a seat. So, habang hinihintay natin ng iftar, pakita ko sa inyo ang mga food nila dito. So, meron silang mga dried fruits and nuts. Different kinds of cheese. Stir-fry vegetable, baked pasta, and beef with sauce. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung tawag dyan. Salad. Another salad. Bread. Yung mga ipapakita kong food guys, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag sa kanila, pero as per Miss Realyn, mostly on this section is Arabic food. Yung mga naunang ipakita ko kanina, mga western food yun. This is the dessert section. They have mini cakes, Arabic sweets, and cut fruits. This is what? Kebab?
Mixed grill.
And here is our food. Carbs to carbs tayo guys. Meron lang rice, meron pang pasta. Hinihintay lang namin mag-start yung iftar para makakain na kami. At ayan nga, habang naghihintay, kumuha na rin ako ng aking dessert. At ayan nga, pwede nang kumain. Let's eat guys! Tayso is eating! Sarap ng food! Second round na nila yan, guys. Sobrang sarap ng food.
A few moments later.
So ito na nga guys, room inspection tayo, magka-site inspection tayo for today's video. Ayan. It's okay, I will translate.
In 2019, we had all the hotel rooms renovated. So that's
Oh, good.
A to Z. So I will show you the superior room, and then for the living room, it is mostly the one that is in the
Housekeeping. Anong room po ito, madam? Executive room.
Mostly binabook ng ano.
Big extra guest?
Executive room and executive lounge access. So ito po yung executive deluxe.
Executive deluxe siya.
So this is bigger, this has more space. Wala, diba? This one doesn't have a view. So like what I said, we really don't have specific view. Yes, or the roof view.
Executive deluxe, no?
Executive lounge. So, most of your bookings, they have that executive lounge access.
Yeah, mostly of big extra bookings. So this is their executive lounge.
6 to 7:30, so this is where you sit, and then breakfast also from 7 o'clock. So we have our own buffet.
So ayan nga guys, tapos na ang ating iftar dinner sa Mövenpick. At kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na to, please hit the thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. Also subscribe to Joy Vibes Vlog. Bye!